the first 5 steps to taking control of your money. What if I told you that most people don't fail at budgeting because they don't make enough money? They fail because they don't have a simple plan? The good news is that creating a budget doesn't have to be complicated. In today's video, I'm going to show you the first 5 steps to creating a budget that actually works. These are the same foundational habits that can help you take control of your money, reduce financial stress, and start building wealth $1 at a time. Let's get started. Step 1. Know your income. The first step is simple. Know exactly how much money you bring home each month. I'm talking about your take-home pay, the money that actually hits your bank account after taxes and deductions. This is your starting point. Every budget is built around this number, so don't guess. Take a few minutes to look at your bank statements or pay stubs and write it down. You can't build a solid financial plan if you don't know what you're working with. Step 2. Track your spending. Next, find out where your money is actually going. For the next 30 days, keep track of every expense, no matter how small. Group your spending into categories like housing, food, transportation, entertainment, and subscriptions. You may be surprised to discover how quickly small purchases add up over time. Remember, you can't improve what you don't measure. Step 3. Give every dollar a job. Now that you know how much money is coming in and where it's going, it's time to create a plan. Before the month begins, assign every dollar a purpose. Some dollars will pay your bills, some will buy groceries, some will go towards savings, and yes, even fun. When every dollar has a job, your money starts working for you instead of disappearing without a plan. Step 4. Pay yourself first. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting until the end of the month to save. Instead, make saving your first priority. Treat it like any other bill that has to be paid. Even if you can only save $25 or $50 from each paycheck, building the habit of saving consistently is far more important than the amount you start with. Small steps today can lead to big financial wins tomorrow. Step 5. Review your budget every week. Finally, remember that your budget isn't something you create once and forget. Set aside just 10 minutes each week to review your spending, make adjustments, and stay on track. Life changes, and your budget should change with it. Those weekly check-ins can help you avoid overspending and keep you focused on your financial goals. Creating a budget isn't about restricting your life. It's about giving yourself more control over your money. Start with these 5 simple steps, and you'll build a strong financial foundation that you can improve over time. In part 2, we'll cover 5 more strategies that will help you stick to your budget, avoid common mistakes, and build lasting financial habits. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step financial guides designed to help you build real wealth. And if you're ready to take your family's financial future to the next level, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2.